If your Chevy Traverse is struggling to maintain a stable Apple CarPlay connection, here are the most effective ways to troubleshoot it. Data shows that up to 80% of infotainment connectivity issues are actually caused by simple hardware or software mismatches. Let us break down the diagnostics to get your system back online. Start by inspecting your cable, cleaning the USB port, and confirming that your iPhone software is fully up to date. If hardware is fine, try forgetting the car from your iPhone settings, toggling Siri, or rebooting the Traverse infotainment system. Watch out for hidden settings like restricted USB mode or conflicting background Bluetooth devices that might be stealing the connection. Most issues are solved at home, but if the system remains unresponsive after a factory reset, it might be a hardware fault requiring a dealer. Statistically, your cable is the culprit half of the time, making it the most important variable to test first. Before giving up, test a different phone to isolate the issue and consider a master reset of the infotainment system settings. Keep a high-quality cable and compressed air in your glove box to handle any sudden connection drops on the road. Remember, if a cable works intermittently, it is already failing, so do not waste time on software until you rule out the hardware. Try these steps in order and let us know in the comments if your CarPlay is back up and running.